Hello, today we're having a look at the Autodesk Construction Cloud's Build feature, Bridge. With Bridge page, you can manage shared sheets from your project that has been transferred to and from other projects. Bridge lists file packages for the project that have been shared with other projects and file packages received from other projects. You can also use Bridge to view automatic updates that have been set for shared sheets. The import sheets from other projects you are a member of. Under Bridge, inside the Build homepage, you've got incoming and outgoing. For outgoing, we need to switch to Sheets. Here all we need to do is actually select the sheets we actually want to send to another project. If we select Share, we get the normal options, but also now another project. Once we've selected this, we just need to select the project we wish to share these sheets with. We can also set it up to automatically send new sheet versions. So if that sheet updates, we get sent the same sheet. You'll get a notification that it's started. It takes a little bit of time to actually share this with other projects. But if we actually switch to that new project, you'll actually see in the Build homepage a list of incoming sheets. So here we've got some from today and a few days ago. If we actually pick the View Incoming Sheets option, we'll see these sheet packages. So let's pick the one we've just sent over. And you'll see the sheets listed. We can actually select these and view them. And also notice that inside the sheets, they're listed. There's the two that we've sent across. Now, if we wanted to actually bring some sheets across manually as an incoming option, all we need to do is go back to View Incoming and Outgoing Sheets. And we can use the Import option under Incoming. Here we select one of the projects that we actually want to bring that sheet across from and search for a particular sheet. In this case, I'm just going to type cover. It'll find that sheet just by that one word. We can also again automatically import new sheet versions. We choose Import Sheets. So along with the sheets that were sent to the project, we also see the sheet that was imported into the project. If we check on the automations, we'll see that we actually did for the 3 sheets we've brought across, we've got automation switched on. In other words, if these sheets update, we get the updated version. Now at any time we can actually select one of these and delete the actual automation. So let's delete the automation from the A1 cover sheet. We don't want this to update if it changes. And now we've only got 2 sheets that are actually going to update. So now you've seen how the Bridge feature allows teams to share a key project data between firms without having to share the entire project, and so allowing each team to control their own project data archive.